Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start now, don't stall. First, plug in the Hololens 2 or confirm battery is over 50% so the process won't interrupt. This prevents corruption. Once done, make sure you've backed up data using OneDrive or your MDM like Intune. That preserves your apps and profiles. Also confirm the Microsoft account email and Wi-Fi details. The device may need to reactivate. Now move to Settings to begin the factory reset procedure. I'll walk you through each screen. You'll now follow the screens. Open Settings, go to System then About, and select Reset. This built-in path safely erases user data while preserving firmware. When prompted, choose Reset and Confirm because the device will reboot and clear apps and accounts. That's required to restore factory state. If the headset is unresponsive or locked, use the hardware recovery. Power on, hold power plus volume down to access recovery, then select Wipe. Make sure you have credentials to reactivate afterward. Once reset completes, the Hololens 2 will enter OOB, set language, Wi-Fi, and sign in with your Microsoft account to reactivate licensing and device management. Then restore your backup from Intune or OneDrive. This returns apps and settings. If something goes wrong, like the reset fails or activation errors appear, reboot and retry the recovery sequence or use the hardware wipe again. If persistent, contact Microsoft support with the device serial. That speeds diagnostic steps.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.